morning. I'm Deirdre Stoker Vaillancourt with Meybohm Realtors downtown. I want to invite you into this lovely carriage house, which is a part of the Cottages at the Trees Estate in Aiken, South Carolina. Watch your step. This was originally the carriage house that belonged to this wonderful Trees Estate built by the Grace family in 1929. As you can see, they've converted it into a very contemporary living space. It now functions as a luxury rental. It has beautiful exposed brick walls, lovely wooden beams, very new appliances, lovely outdoor light coming in. You can see as we follow me, they've taken advantage of all of the spaces with little cupboards with very contemporary, interesting doors. It's a very eclectic mix. You would never expect to see this kind of living space in Aiken, South Carolina. The bathroom has a full shower, and still using all of these wonderful old building materials combined with the new. Altogether, a particularly lovely downtown living space. Thank you very much, and I hope you've enjoyed your tour of the first of the cottages at Two Trees.